I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful adjustable wrap bracelet, but first we must make some coffee. For this tutorial, you can make your bracelet as long as you want. That's 1 wrap, 2 wrap, 3 wrap, or you could keep going. I'm using the Preciosa Czech crystals, and you can find these right at your local Michael's. I'm using a really long strand of my Miyuki beading thread, and I'm also using my hemp. To start off, just do a few figure eights to attach your thread to your hemp. Now this is the motion that we're going to be making with our beads. I'm using 2 needles for this process, so that's 1 needle on each side of my thread. So we're just going to take our crystal and put it through both needles and then pull up and then wrap the thread around each side until you are completely done with your design. To finish off your thread, do a few figure eights around the hemp and then tie with a few secure knots. Put a basic knot at the end of your hemp there, and then we're going to cross over both ends of our bracelet, cut a new piece of hemp, and then make a few lark's head knots. Now this will make it so that our bracelet will be nice and adjustable and it can fit up to any size wrist. Secure that last knot with a little bit of beading glue and then cut off your ends, and you are ready to wear this beautiful piece of jewelry. Let me know if you have any questions about this project, and I know that you are going to love these Preciosa beads from Michael's. They're divine.